what do you do when you have a sink full of dishes, but you only have one single sink? And you really want to have one sink with soapy water and one sink with cleaned. That way it takes less water because you can soap up the dishes. You go to, I got this from Super H Mart for I don't know how much money. I know it was under $10, probably $5 years ago. And you use this as your sink number 2. It's really sad that I don't have a dishwasher, but my kitchen is from 1942 and I still have metal cabinets. So if you look over here, these are metal cabinets. They're metal, gross metal cabinets. I don't even put anything in there. They're so gross. Yeah, but that's what I do is I have a double sink here and I'm going to put the soap water, and actually I'm going to do that now. Get my handy dandy Dawn and put that all in there. And turn the hot water on. Oh. I like my water hot because I feel like it cleans the dishes better. And there's also a little bit of bleach in there. And what I do is I use these gloves that are over here. So no dishwasher. No dishwasher. No dishwasher. And I have to let this run and 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 run. It's actually nice and getting hot now. Oh, look at that. Look at those bubbles. Woo! Gonna clean up all these dishes finally. They've been in the sink for a while. Don't want Mickey and Minnie to start coming in here and partying. Bringing their germs. Germy germs. My hand's getting tired. Oh, hand's getting tired. Okay, now that I have quite a bit, I'm going to turn the faucet off. Start putting these dishes in there. Putting the dishes in there. I like to put my big dishes first. My big dinner plates first. And then I put the smaller plates after. Oh, I got some bowls. Bowls. More bowls. Here's a drinking bottle. This has got to go in here. You know, one of those drink mix bottles with the metal ball in it? Yeah. Going in there too. Bubbles, 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 and more bubbles. Oh, I hate doing dishes. They stink. They've been in here for too long. That's why I have to use the bleach. Running out of room. Running out of room. Running out of room. This is from my blender. Gonna do a video of how you can take this bottle right here and you can put it on your blender and use your blender as a bullet. It's pretty cool. In fact, I should show you right now, but where's my blender at? It's way over here. You know, they say that's how you know you're black. It's because you have water on the floor. And here's the blender. I'll take that off. So you take this off. Oh, it's dusty. You put that in there too. And you take the bottle and you put the bottle, oops, there's water in there, and you put it on top of there. Oops, missing this other part. Show you my little tricky trick. I don't see it. Okay, so here it is. Found it. Here it is. You take the bottle, right? Got the bottle, and you put, where is it at? Here it is. The blender parts on it. And then you screw the bottom part of the blender on there, right? Screw it, screw. So you screw it on there. And then once you've got it on there, it'll allow you to use it. Oops, that part came off, but you get the picture. That's how you can use a regular mason jar as a bullet. And I'll do another video on that after this one. But I gotta wash all this stuff first because it's dusty, it's dirty, and gotta get washed. What else do I have? Okay. Need to put my gloves on because I have bleach in the soap water. And also, if you wash dishes without gloves on, it will cause your cuticles to get dry. Oh, wrong hand. Uh-oh. Switch hands. I think I have 2 left gloves here. 2 left gloves. Yeah, 2 left gloves. All right. So now I'm going to take all the knives and forks in this dirty sink. But now you see what you do is you can use a big bowl to serve as your sink number 2 if you only have one big sink. Pretty cool. But I think that bullet video that I'm going to do next, that's going to be the cool thing. All right. Talk to you guys later.